Here is how to know if you are blocked on Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can know if you are blocked on Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Badoo account, you'll come to the encounter section like this. Now let me go to the chat section from the bottom. Now in case you are blocked by anyone on Badoo, the first thing that you'll notice is that you won't be able to send text messages to that particular person. So if you are blocked by the particular person, you won't be able to send any messages or photos. Furthermore, the second thing that you'll notice is when you try to open the profile of that specific person, you won't be able to view details in their profile other than their profile picture. So you won't be able to see details such as their interest and other things. So basically, when someone blocks you on Badoo, you won't be able to contact them or interact with the particular person. So in this way, you can know if you are blocked on Badoo by someone. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.